Welcome to the 2012 electoral debate. I am your host Rush Limbaugh and these are my guests President Obama, Mitt Romney, and Eric Marrero. How are you?
Splendid, thanks.
Never better, Rush. Well, I am here to chew bubble gum and kick ass. And I am all out of bubble gum.
How do you plan to restore our economy? You first, Mr. President.
Well, my plan is pretty simple. I plan to raise taxes on the rich and all major corporations.
But by doing that you will create an economical crisis. Many American people will be out of work.
Mr. Marrero, how about you? What are your plans?
My plan is pretty simple, and if anyone does not like it they can cry me a river and jump off the George Washington Bridge. Tax every stick in politicians in this country, and give the American people their money back. Politicians, go sell some medicine, bitches.